is making sure you splash out here. Dry off before entering. Okay. Dry off. Dry off the feet. This goes right here. No splashes. Nice and easy. We're going to capture the water in the Morozko. We're going to squeeze out our shorts rather than immediately going onto the boot mat. It'll splash water everywhere. We want to make sure we collect some water out here. And I'll let my feet drip off, the back drip off. And then I'm going to go directly into the boot mat here. So in doing this, I've captured all the water in the boot mat. Really, we should only be using the main one here. We don't need the other ones. We should capture all of our water. That shouldn't be too much spilling there. And we're just going to kind of like dry ourselves off here. Make sure everything is nicely captured. Really, there's no water spilled here. There's no water spilled here. We're going to exit onto the carpet, but before we exit, we're going to make sure our feet are dry too. So we're not necessarily capturing water on the carpet. So this is all done. Very minimal water spill, as you can see. We have a bucket here. If you do spill water, there's a mop in the corner. But really, this whole process should have minimal water spillage with proper technique.